Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you about wild ducks for class 6. They will come from over there. The man pointed at Red Volcano Hill. He and the boy both had guns resting across their knees. They sat facing each other in a small, motionless boat with the oars tucked in. "Are you ready?" he asked his son. "Yes." They come in clouds, huge clouds moving very fast. He moved his arm in a wide sweep, rocking the boat. "You have to be quick, shoot fast." "You loaded?" "Yes." "Remember, aim well ahead. You have to imagine the flight path to be dead on. It is not easy, but you have to manage with just one shot." "I know." Suddenly, the boy looked up. "Is that them?" A ribbon of black dots billowed out of the horizon. The boy was spilled bread. Now it's time for the meaning before we continue moving. Barrel, the long tube-shaped part of a gun through which a bullet is fired. Move, a purple light color. Sweep, move or float slowly from the sky to the surface. A wildness, and are not used to grow crops, build roads or develop towns because of its difficult conditions. You loaded, it's your gun ready with bullets to be dead on, hit the target perfectly. Bullets spread out of appear to grow larger. Spellbound, with his attention completely held by the sight. Whistled out of its small, round mouth, watching birds was his passion. "They must be millions," he exclaimed. Half the skyways covered by the tail, huge clouds of them, banked one way, then another, changing the shape of the sky and bottling the lights. The sky deepened in the water, turned black. Small groups broke away, driving, then resting in perfect formations. "Will they all land there on the lake?" "They took too high. I think they're aiming for somewhere else." "Who decides?" "They took too high. I think they are aiming for somewhere else." "Who decides?" "They know." Then they were overhead, the sky filled with masses of bird flight. A volley of bird calls, father and son looked at each other. Now, before we continue again, I will show you the photo of flying birds. The wild ducks fly in the form of a V shape. Why? Because, as mentioned earlier, there were quite a number of seasons why birds fly in a V shape. The reasons are as followed. It makes long distance flight easier. V formation helps birds to sense their wing beats. The mention further helps in energy conservation. Now we will continue again. His son slowly raised his pile. He had a more patience and steady hand. He picked a single peck out of the mass in the sky, the leader of a formation flying towards them. He aimed and fired. The speck plummeted. "You got the leader." The man cheered another bird swiftly to its place. They were all leaders by instinct. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will make part 1 soon. So that's the part 1 for today. I will make part 2 soon. So thanks for watching. and I hope you liked one. And I will see you in part 2. So till then, goodbye.